I'm Derek with Motocross Action Magazine. Then today we're testing the 2017 KTM 450SXF. In 2017, the KTM 450SXF comes to the table with 7 key changes. The bike features the new WP AER 48 front forks with a sophisticated air spring design and separate damping for easy adjustment to any track condition, rider weight, or skill level. The fork is now 3.1 pounds lighter than the 4CS unit it replaces. The KTM has new rear suspension settings and a softer rear spring. The 450SXF has a new handlebar map switch that also activates traction control and launch control for enhanced traction on slippery dirt. It has new top triple clamps that support the new flex characteristics of the front fork. There are new handlebar clamps that feature a separate bottom clamp and bridge type under-upper clamp for more torsional stiffness. There's a new 10mm longer rear brake pedal and less aggressive brake pads that provide better modulation and control. Also, there are new aluminum head stays that are 60 grams lighter than the steel stays that they replaced from last year.
Hey, Dennis Stapleton here. Just got off the 2017 KTM 450. Bike has quite a few improvements from last year. It was the shootout winner for 2016. They did one major upgrade that people complained about, forks. They got an all-new air fork on this bike. It's pretty hard to beat for an air fork so far in the first few days of testing. It's plush entering the turns, bottoming control is awesome. They say the bike didn't change that much, but they do have a new map in this bike, which makes second gear pull a lot longer. So it has a whole different feel exiting the turns than the previous year. This bike has a great feel right out of the box. For 2017, they have a map switch on the bars instead of in the airbox like last year. Last year you turned the knob inside the airbox. This year you hit a map switch control panel on the left side of the handlebars. They have map 1, which is your standard map. Map 2, which is your aggressive map, and then you have your traction control. This really mellows the bike out. We found this to be more of a mellow map than map 1. A lot of our entry-level riders that are kind of scared of 450s really like the traction control. Last but not least, if you hit both buttons on there, the traction control and the map switch, that is your starting whole shot device button for launch control. We have a lot more hours to spend on this KTM 450 with a lot of new settings. Look for the latest updates on the 2017 KTM 450 in the upcoming Motocross Action Mag.